Changing your plan on Flexport can help you better align your shipping needs with your budget and requirements. Follow these steps to make the process smooth and straightforward. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Flexport website and log in using your credentials. Ensure you have your username and password ready to enter the platform. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to access your account details. Step 3. Select subscription plans. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROG to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Choose a new plan. Review the different plans offered by Flexport. Compare the features and pricing to determine which plan best suits your needs. Select the new plan you wish to switch to. Step 5. Confirm changes. After selecting your new plan, follow the prompts to confirm your changes. You may need to provide payment information or agree to new terms. Once confirmed, you will receive a notification about the successful change. By following these steps, you can easily change your plan on Flexport to better fit your shipping requirements. If you have any questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Flexport's customer support for help.